step on the trail makes my spirit shine.
At the peak of the mountain, I touch the sky. All my weariness fades as the view passes by.
Come, let's travel through the beauty we embrace. Mountains, seas, and forest, rivers we chase. Every step we take tells a story so true. In the heart of nature we find something new. Diving deep in the blue of the ocean wide, fish and coral dancing like a living tide.
In the silent world beneath the waves below, breathing with the rhythm only oceans know.
With the motion of water, my soul drifts away. In the mystery of the sea, I choose to stay. Come, let's travel through the beauty we embrace. Mountains, seas, and forests, rivers we chase. Every step we take tells a story so true. In the heart of nature we find something new.
Through the forest so green, quiet yet alive, birds are softly singing, winds begin to thrive.
Every step on the ground feels like a tale, that nature is my home beyond the trail.
Crossing rivers flowing steady and slow, slippery stones beneath, but onward I go.
Holding on to hope in life's rushing tide. Every crossing proves the strength inside. Come, let's travel through the beauty we embrace. Mountains, seas, and forests, rivers we chase. Every step we take tells a story so true. In the heart of nature we find something new. In every journey memories brightly gleam. My beloved homeland, forever my dream.
We bathe